So on last episode, you got to see that taking L's was all a part of the game, bro. Especially for a beginner like me. However, I also showed you that you never give up, as we did end up copping some heat and taking a W and getting our hands on the Jubilee 11. Now, we had $300 after selling the metallic gold one, so we had a little wiggle room to get something for retail a little bit more costly, and we bought the Jubilee 11s for $238. So let's jump into this episode and see how we grow the pot and see if we can get to our first milestone on this $1,000 journey, which is $500. So first I want to tell you, I'm super excited. We welcomed a beautiful baby girl into the Copeland family. Her name is Mia Amore Copeland. She was born December 22nd, 2020. And I wanted to add this into the video simply because I wanted y'all to see that, hey, real life stuff happens, and I just want to document every part of it. With that being said, I actually had some offers on the table I had to turn down, simply because while I was in the hospital, there were certain strict rules and I couldn't just go off meeting random people, you know, because of that disease that we can't mention or we get demonetized. It was crazy though, because however, I'm just watching the price of those on StockX just plummet and plummet and plummet. All right, so the baby will be here any day now. Got a couple offers, but I really need these people to get serious because I don't know what's gonna happen when we finally get into the hospital. So, man, let's hope these people respond. This challenge is really moving on good though, and I'm excited. So hopefully some of these offers come through. Let's get it. So a full week had passed from that point, and I only had offers for 2 people. And mind you, the price was just going down. One person wanted to pay $250. One person wanted to pay $270. And honestly, it might sound obvious on who we should be leaning with. However, there were 2 factors that I had to play in. The guy who wanted to pay $250, I know him personally, and I've known him since middle school. So the risk factor wasn't there. And the other person, not only did I not know him from a can of paint, but he definitely wanted to meet up in a sketchy location, and he wanted me to drive to him. He's lucky he was on my way to get home. All right, so we finally found a buyer. I would have been able to sell these a lot quicker, but because we was in a hospital with the baby, I was not able to sell them. But I'm about to go against a lot of rules that I told y'all about as far as safety, because I'm about to go to this guy, and he is in a pretty sketchy part of town. However, I'm familiar with this part of town, and I did sort of some screening, and plus, you know, I'm gonna pull up first and check the scene out first before I do anything. So we're gonna play it safe, but let's just see what happens. Yeah, so I told y'all we in a little sketchy area or whatever, but it's all good. So we ended up selling to buyer number 2 for $270. As I said, I don't recommend y'all to ever take the risks that I do, but I'm familiar with that part of town, and honestly, you know, I had some insurance. I played it smart. However, I'm not gonna lie, I thought I was as good as Rob, because him and like 90 dudes came out of this sketchy looking motel. They were just verifying that the shoes were authentic, which I can't be mad at them for, and I definitely do understand. However, like I said, don't try this type of stuff at home. Always meet in a safe, secure location. So remember, we had $300, but we dipped into it, $238 to buy the Jubilees. That left us with $62 left over. But we sold them for $270, giving us a whopping pot of, guess how much? Y'all ain't ready for this. Now our pot is $332. So I'm gonna keep it real with you. Those $33 ain't really worth the 2 weeks that I had to hold them. And then what's even worse is that when you look at the upcoming releases, as far as through the end of this year, going into January, bro, it does not look good. There's not really anything that's for sure gonna make us some money like there was in December. So looks like it's gonna be pretty slow going forward, but you know how we do on this channel. We don't give up. We still on the road. Let's get it. Now, remember in the previous video, I told you, bro, like joining a cook group is super valuable for a beginner reseller or even an experienced reseller. Well, thanks to a giveaway in my home cook group, drop alert, I was able to secure a pair of Bruce Lee Kobe 5s for retail, bro, in an 11.5, and they did sell out. All right, so this type of giveaway, it is valuable. It is something that's like, oh man, that definitely helps in a time where, once again, I feel like it's dry and the challenge seems like it was gonna come to a standstill. If you look at the value of these, they're just steadily going up and holding their value. So even if I decided I wanted to keep them for a while, these would definitely be a good hold. As for, once again, for obvious reasons, the Kobe's are the Kobe's. All right, so y'all know how we do when we get a new pair, man. We unbox them. Once again, shout out my guys over at Drop Alert. So yeah, let's get in, bro. Oh man, so that's dope. From your friends at Drop Alert. How many other cook groups making your kids print outs to color on? Oh man, Supreme stickers. It's litty. These did not come with the shoes. Once again, I won a giveaway in dropalert.io, so undefeated socks. Now, the shoes. Oh man, it's definitely hard. Definitely hard. And yeah, man, these are Kobe's, and for obvious reasons, these are gonna hold some value. So I'm gonna get these up on eBay, StockX, Facebook Marketplace, and see what we can get for them. Let me know in the comments if y'all say, nah, bro, you should hold those. It's pretty dope. So we were able to get them for retail at $200, and we can easily flip these for 300 plus. So once again, big shout out to my guys over at Drop Alert. I'm gonna put a link in the description below. They really helped me out. Winning that giveaway really helped me out at a time where, once again, it was dry, bro. So that's why I stress to you, a cook group definitely is gonna help you eat. And a good cook group like Drop Alert is definitely one of those. And I know you're thinking like, bro, you have somewhat of an advantage, and I don't, because anybody can join Drop Alert just like I did. And honestly, not even just Drop Alert, a lot of cook groups do giveaways. So honestly, I wasn't even the first winner of the giveaway. The first winner backed out for some reason, so I was able to slide right in. So like I said, it's gonna be super easy to sell these Kobe's, but you gotta find out on next episode. If you're interested in sneaker reselling or sneaker buying, check out one of the videos up above. I love y'all out there, man. Thanks for rocking with me along this challenge. Can't wait to see where it goes next. I'm get it.